Mga una ta ha. Ito, ang aking partner. At yan, yung kay ko oh. Nagtanggal ng hanger sa damit kasi nga naglaba. Laba-laba. Tambak na yung tutupiin ko guys. Ayan. At ito si Kengo. Kain-kain muna tayo guys ha. Good morning, good morning. Sa ating mga sister. Pa-like and share my video guys. Thank you for watching guys.
Wow. Yes! Kiss me. Kiss me down by the broken tree house. Swing me up on its hanging tide. Bring your flowered hat. We'll take the trail marked on your father's map.
What?
Oh no!
Mapait daw guys. Maraming din ito pala ito. Para good for health. Lemon juice. Healthy.